Hello and welcome back to MATLAB tutorials in video lecture 9. So in this video we're going to find the value of an integral of fx dx using the trapezoidal rule. So let's begin with some theory and then we'll begin with the coding. So in theory there is in mathematics and more specifically in analysis of trapezoidal rule also known as trapezium rule. So make sure you know both the names. Sometimes in exam they ask trapezium rule. I have experienced this, so I'm telling you guys. So it's a technique for approximating the definite integral. Okay. The trapezoidal rule works with an approximating the region under the graph of the function as a trapezoidal and calculating its area. Okay, so let's begin with the coding. Yeah, I'll press Control plus N. Here we go. I'll just copy the aim. Yeah, it's done. Percentage sign. Control plus V. Just before I start the coding, I'm going to tell you one thing that I'll be putting an error intentionally in the coding so that you guys can find it. I'll show you the error in the command prompt and you have to find the error and mark the any comments. Okay, so let's begin with the coding. CLC close all, a equals to 0, b equals to pi by 2, n is equals to 10, h is equals to b minus a by n. Yeah, so a equals to 0. Make sure that you don't take a small a again because it has been used in the formula to find the value of h. See here, a small a has been used. So now I'm using in capital A. Okay, so a is equals to 0. Now I'll take a function y is equals to at the rate bracket x bracket close sin bracket x bracket close for x is equals to a for x is equals to a. So we'll write p equals to bracket open y, again we open a bracket, we put x bracket close plus y, we open a bracket x plus h, and we close the bracket and we put the asterisk into h, asterisk or say multiply h by 2. Clear? We close the bracket, we move on. Now a is equals to a plus b, capital A equals to capital A plus b. Okay, small p. If now we go to if statement, if x plus h x sorry x plus h bracket close equals to b. Okay, so x is equals to a plus h, a plus h, and end. It's completely ended. We have to print the answer, so what we have to print is f print f single inverted comma open approximate value of integral single inverted comma close the bracket. Okay, so I'll just save it and run it for you guys. Desktop MATLAB coding, MATLAB coding 009. We have saved, change folder. Yeah, so here's the error. Okay, I'm leaving you guys with the error. Just a single error is there in this line. You just have to identify and see. Thus, it says that the expression to the left of the equal sign is not a valid target for assignment. This is a file error. File MATLAB codings leave just 14 column 13. Here, when I take the cursor here, open the command window and make. See, there is just one single error in this line. Okay, so if any one of you just mark the correct answer in the comments, I'll pin your comment and a certain reward will be given for sure. I won't disclose the reward round. I'll just announce it then and there only. Okay, so here's the error, and I'm going to leave the correct answers. Just compare your answers. Okay, so just a minute. Yeah, guys. So just before showing you the correct answer, I was thinking just to tell you one error which I've made. Actually, made it two errors intentionally, so I'm just eliminating one. That if you have seen my previous video, I wrote fprintf approximate the value of integral, to which I have to allow the integral I don't know. I have not put in the command coding, so the coding won't be knowing the where I have to show the value. So just I'll put here comma a. Okay. So now I'll run it. Open the command window. See, it says again the same error. I have just removed one error from there. The coding will still run. If you don't put an A, the coding will run. But to be specific with one error, I'll just doing this column 13. So as I said, the error is in this line, this one line. You just have to find this. So just before I end my video, I'm going to show you that correct answer. The correct answer is, yeah. So just I wanted to tell you one more thing. So in case if you guys are unable to check your answer, command is not running properly. So I'll give you one tip. It's very one important tip. What you can do is just copy this whole coding from here. Copy Control plus C. Go to the command window. First clear the command window with all your bin and just paste it here and run the program. See, program runs directly. Copy the program and press the enter button. So here the error says if x equals to x plus h equals to b, again that the line. The error is the expression to the left of the equals as read before is not a valid target. Okay, so the error is in that, and clearing this window I'll show you the correct answer. So guys, the correct answer is this. Yeah, so it's on your screen. This is the correct answer. MATLAB calculate the value of h, capital A is 0. We get the equation y equals to sin x, and approximate value of integral capital A equals to 0.0123. This is the correct answer of the coding when successfully run. See, I have not made any change here. If in the line 13, you have to just make the change, and as mentioned previously, the command with the correct answer first. It will be on first come first basis. Correct answer will be pinned and a reward will be given then and there immediately. Okay, so this is the end of the video. And one more thing, I'll just show you the coding here also. Those who were unable to see, here's the coding. The error is still in there. You can see I have not corrected, given the correct coding still. Okay, so this will be given you as a PDF attached in the description. You can go tap the link and download it easily. So just before I end you the video, I would like to mention some real life application of this theory. Yeah, this theory. So as I remember, this theory is basically used in the calculation of Earth's work, the work done by the Earth in rotation, or calculating the volume. This method is used, and it is also used to find the area of the irregular shapes, which one cannot just make the formula then and there. So we just go with the trapezoidal rule with a safe side and calculate the certain area to get a perfect answer. So that's all in this video. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Please do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video guys. Thank you.